How are you? I was looking at whether we see invited. You are looking more beautiful by the day. What are you doing? Can we go somewhere? Please. Please now. It wouldn't take long for a while.
Ọmọ ó bá wọn jáyé orí rẹ̀ lóde ọjọ́ ń bọ̀ yí pé ó nílé ló gbà ilé ayé ẹ̀dá bí ìṣẹ́jú akànmọ́ lórí ọba jẹ́ àlùgbà yí pẹ́ ó láyé ọmọ ó bá ṣiṣẹ́ owó rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ìgbà ń bọ̀ kankan ó nílé làkàkà.
Go ahead and say what you have to say.
Okay, thank you. Okomi.
Will you go ahead and say what you have to say?
What do you even call yourself?
What am I doing?
Oh, you are going again.
I'm going.
Go!
I'm going.
They said it that you are an unfortunate person. You are as useless as.
The dirty motive, no motive. I knew that.
Good for nothing.
Don't you know how long you said to your father's house before I came to marry you? 2,000 naira.
My relatives. They said. They said I should marry. Why insisted?
Have you forgotten how much I gave your father to marry you?
God, it's enough, both of you. I say one show Robbie away by. You too, brother Fijabi. If your wife is being stubborn, call her and settle the matter.
Woman, who are you? What are you here for? Are you here to support me or you want to support her?
See, brother Fijabi, I am not going to support you or your wife. All I'm saying is that 10 years here when you banja, call her and settle the matter.
I don't know why I'm standing here arguing with you. Please, Johnny, so I don't expect much from you. I'm going for my power. I don't have time for this rubbish.
Fijabi. Are you telling me your wife said all that?
Akamu. Kí ni mo ń ṣe ọ́ báyìí gan-an? Ṣé etí inú ẹ̀ di ni? Are you deaf? How can't you hear what he said?
When these women start promiscuous affairs, that is how they behave.
Wait, who told you that one?
My father. My father said that when a woman who is supposed to be the wife starts acting like she's the head of the family, there is more to it.
Your father must have seen a lot in his marriage. That's true. What you just said is the truth of the matter.
But this is Africa. We have our own ways of solving this kind of problems.
Alright, do not go there. Má lọ bẹ̀ rárá.
Mo tọrọ kan mo sọ ni.
Má lọ bẹ̀ rárá.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ mú wá dá. Ẹ sì máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni dá.
Ẹ wo ọmọ àdánù tí ń finá sábẹ́ òrùlé gbogbo ìgbìmọ̀ ẹ sì dákẹ́ ń wòran ta lólùgbàlà tí ó yọ wá nínú òfò yìí ọwọ́ ara wa la ó fi gbéra wa àìṣòtítọ́ ni ò jáyé ogun àìbìkítà ní sọlédìgbò ara mi ò ta lólùgbàlà tí ó yọ wá nínú ìfàsẹ́yìn ọwọ́ ara wa la ó fi túra wa.
My daughter, where did you get this? Who gave you this? By the way, why did you touch it? Answer me. This thing you are carrying has been fully prepared with a name of somebody jammed on it. Red here, white in the middle, black and white.
Baba. Baba, help me out.
Help you out. How?
Baba, please.
Well, the only way out, you must find a man who will volunteer himself to make intercourse with you in my presence. Then, let him talk with you to save your life.
Baba.
Ọmọdé òmù ògùn ń pè lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ó nà sí mi. Ilé làbá wọn.
But Baba, the man, hope he will not be in trouble.
In trouble? Ó ti gbé wàhálà kalẹ̀ ó ń béèrè wípé sẹ́nìkan ò ní sí trouble. Trouble! Only God can save him. Hope he will not be in trouble. Ẹ má forí jálẹ̀ àgbọn. Àgbọn ò ta máa gùn.
Baba. Baba.
Tani.
Baba èmi ni. Títílayọ̀.
Títílayọ̀. Lóru yìí. Ó yá.
Good evening, Baba.
Oh, my daughter. But why did you come so late? Like I told you, this thing you are carrying is dangerous. Ikuni.
Baba, I don't want to die. Baba, I'm too young to die. Gbogbo ọkùnrin tí mo lọ bá lọ́kọ jalè. Baba, help me out.
How? Kí la bá fẹ́ ṣe báyìí? Awelewa. Kí ló fẹ́ ká ṣe?
Baba, I am ready. If you will do it with me, Baba, you do.
Kò yé mi ní tó ń sọ dáadáa.
Baba, you do. Baba, please help me out. Or Aberumba, you know. You are not as powerless as those men, Baba. You have power to.
Ọmọ tó ń sọ dáadáa o. I noticed of you. Ìwọ aláìmọ̀kànmọ̀kàn yìí. Ọ̀dà màá rìn lọ́wọ́. Àwọn ọgbọ́n dá sí.
Baba, thank you, Baba. Are you ready now?
Isi ìgbàgbọ́. Ọmọ ìmọ̀ lé o. Ká sì ní ìsẹ̀yìn. Ọmọ pé mi náà gbọ́dọ̀ gbáradì. I have to empower myself against such things. Orí ọ̀ká lẹ bá ṣe ní ṣe fi ọmọ. Orí ọ̀ká. Àṣẹ lọ́la.
Mo ti gbọ́ sá. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé sá. Bàbá ẹjọ́ mo lè lọ́lé lálẹ́ yìí. Ṣé mo lè rí bí? Can I get somewhere to sleep?
Àǹtí sòkù lọ́rùn jẹ́ ń ṣètò ìyẹ̀wò kan kékeré fún ọ kọ́ nara fẹ́rẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Thank you, sir.
Yomi o, bá a fẹ́ bá a kọ̀, we must finish. Yes, so it's a must. We must finish clearing so as to start planting as soon as possible. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o, in fact, that is exactly where I am. Ọkùnrin omi tá gbé wá náà ní ọrùn rà.
Ògbẹ́ngbẹ́ bíbí. Ògbẹ́ngbẹ́ mi.
Báńgó mi. Ṣiṣẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ohun gbogbo ẹ̀ náà.
Wọ́n ṣe bíbí kí n mọ̀ rò kó mọ́.
Yomi, how is Titilayo?
She is fine and crazy.
Wait, you mean your own woman is crazy?
Yes, Ajani. See, Titi is crazy for my love. And so am I.
You're a joker!
Crazy indeed. I saw Titilayo with something strange last night.
What do you mean?
Are you telling me that Titilayo is mentally imbalanced?
Shut up. Let him finish what he started. You are too forward. And the message is even for me, not for you.
This message is for all of us. I saw Titilayo at Baba Fadili's house last night.
Olódùmarè. Àfìgbà tí Titilayo ya wèrè po báyìí.
Will you keep quiet? Is that what I am saying? I mean, I saw Titi sneaking inside Baba Fadili's house last night. And from what I saw, Yomi, it looks like something is happening between both of them. Hey, what I saw was very, very shocking, already.
What could she be doing? Wonder. See, Titi is mine and not Fadili's. Benny, I don't believe you.
Baba, oh yeah, Baba, it's already what we have to do. Baba.
Ọmọdé yìí lọ ní sùúrù fẹ́mi ẹ.
Baba, it's becoming too late. I'm too young to die. I don't want to die. Baba, Shanu.
Ó kú ìhórìrì káwárìrì.
Baba, please. Baba, let's just.
Test slow fẹ́mi ẹ. Má rush me o. Má rush me. Má rush me. Baba. Titi.
Yomi, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Dúró.
Blood. Yomi! Oh my God! Yomi, what did you do? Oh my God! Yomi, Kilose, Yomi.
And now go down to Baba Fadili's house and
ọkùnrin ogun ní kú ní o
You will kill yourself. I will kill myself.
Akíkanjú ni kúrú mi o. Kìí sọ̀lẹ̀. Ọkùnrin ogun ni kúrú mi o. Kìí sọ̀jú. Akíkanjú ni kúrú mi o. Kìí sọ̀lẹ̀. Here comes the fire eating guy. My Lord with arrows in his eyes. I'm running anger, let no one stand in his way. This land will never be the same again. Yeah, here comes the fire spitting guy. Arekurumi is on the way with his sword of justice, one of the liars and pretenders. The day of reckoning is everywhere. Yeah, here comes the fire eating guy. My Lord with arrows in his eyes. Jagojaju káàkiri wàhálà Ọlọ́run ojúráyé òun fojú mi sọ́nà ń rò nípa tirẹ̀ ìbá dára kó gbọ́ràn kó lùtùnú wọlé tẹ́tí o kò gbọ́ o olólùfẹ́ mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́tí sílẹ̀ kó gbọ́. Living in a real and true revolution time. Fight the good fight, brother. Living in a real and true revolution time. Fight the good fight, brother. Living in a real and true revolution time. Fight the good fight, living in a real and true revolution time. Gotta wake up now from deep slumber. Break away the chains that hold us down. True freedom does not come to those who seek time to pray. Stand up, raise your voice, and be heard. Living true, we're living in a real and true revolution time. Fight the good fight, brother, we're living in a real and true revolution time. Fight the good fight, living in a real and... Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later. What? 1 minute, sir. How are you? Fine, sir. How was the class? Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, after our discussion in the class the other time, sir, I have been able to come to one conclusion, sir. And that's what? Sir, that there is no love greater than God's love. And that every other love apart from that will surely shatter.